Miss
Hey,
Egan.
and fellow classmates.
Today we are doing a density lab,
Column.
density column lab, where we put all the liquids here into this cup,
Mm-hmm.
and then we see what happens, like how they
How each object plays a role in how far it goes down the cup.
and then we put these objects inside, like the ping pong ball, bottle cap, and screws, and see where they land.
Yeah. There are three important concepts to learn for this lab, and one of them is density. P equals M over V. And this determines whether or not the object placed right here will float or sink.
So the next concept that we need to know is buoyancy. And buoyancy is the upward force exerted on an object by the fluid. So if the fluid's density is less than the object's, then the object will sink, and if it's greater than the object will float.
Otherwise known as the Archimedes principle. And the other callback to CAS unit is gravitational potential energy. And that plays a role here, as the heavier objects tend to move toward the bottom, and the lighter substances, like the ping pong ball, will rise to the top.
So now we are gonna pour these liquids
Oh yeah.
into the cup. So
This is the first one.
it's the first one, and this
Dante
is
syrup.
that's date
Date
syrup.
yeah. Okay, and we're just gonna pour it.
Yeah. Try not to get it on side. So as you can see here, it's like really viscous.
I think that's... Alright, stop.
What do you mean
Stop. That's way too much. Should I bring
So
it closer?
so the first one we're doing is syrup.
Mm-hmm.
Something happened beforehand, but you don't even know what happened.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
So next up, dish soap. We're gonna bring the camera closer
Yeah.
as Carter pours in the dish soap.
Let's do it. We want to make sure it's in the center.
Yeah, we don't want it to.
Oh,
We're good.
very good.
Yeah, we're good. Okay, next up is the milk.
Yes, sir. Wait, does it say something like the thing? No. Make sure it gets in the center. Oh, shit.
So the milk and the dish soap, they were ordered wrong.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
that's unfortunate.
open the bloopers.
Yeah. But now we got water, some H2O,
Some Saratoga
Saratoga
water.
water,
Very. This is very expensive. The
Yeah.
Saratoga water.
sparkling.
Oh yeah. So Carter is now pouring in the water. Wait, you should go closer so it doesn't like stir
This
everything
is the
again.
most dangerous one.
Saratoga, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay, I think.
That should be good enough.
Yeah. Now we just have to wait for it to settle again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one messed up our last run. This is trial 2.
It's a trial too.
And then we're gonna do this one
The oil.
after this
Yeah.
settles.
Okay, so let's start off with the ping pong ball, which
It's the most buoyant.
is the most buoyant.
So
'cause it's filled with air.
our hypothesis is that it will land straight at the top and not go any further. And
You were right. Just
that is
smart.
correct.
Second object is going to be the bottle cap,
Yeah,
and I think it's going to land on the milk layer or the milk water layer.
yeah.
So,
But right at the top, it might be. Nah, it's okay. It's not as heavy as we
yeah, I thought it was.
thought. And this is the screw. And this we hypothesize to be really deep. Go deeper.
I don't even know. You can't even see it.
But yeah,
Oh, no.
it's very hard to see.
We're
But it's not at the top there, so that's something. Yeah, it's definitely deeper. And then we thought that since the screw, the shape of the screw, just as how like the heel like of a shoe makes it deeper. Oh, okay, and that happened. So it adds more pressure, so it goes down deeper. And then the penny just got, since it's more round, even though they're both metal, since it's round, like it wouldn't be.
It just I think it's in the bottom.
Yeah, I think a lot of it's at the bottom.
No, we can't say anything.
But yeah,
That's it.
that's it.